Here at Avalon Ford's Collision Center, we see it all the time. A vehicle that's brand new and shiny, just like this one here. Shortly after being purchased, it'll have its paint destroyed by rock chips coming from the tires. All this could have been prevented from having a proper set of mud flaps installed. As you can see here, as you're driving down the road, any rain, water, you name it that's on the pavement, it's going to hit the bottom of your vehicle right here and the whole way along the bottom. This not only is very unesthetically pleasing from the rock chips that result, it also reduces your resale value and severely affects your corrosion protection. This is not something you want here in Newfoundland. All this can be avoided by having a proper set of Ford genuine accessory mud flaps installed. As you can see, your vehicle is now protected from anything that can come off your tires. Trust me, a set of these is a lot cheaper than having your vehicle repainted.